Matt Morano, the NC Realty guy with Realty One Group Select. Today I'm profiling Roberta Ridge in Concord, North Carolina. This DR Horton community in Cabarrus County offers new homes from their Traditions collection, priced from the high 200s to lower 300s. Here's a look inside the Charleston Model. You get 9-foot ceilings throughout the first floor, granite counters in the kitchen, a gas fireplace, breakfast area, formal dining room, and even a bedroom on the first floor. Upstairs, you'll find the laundry area. Check out the tile floors. The location is just around the corner from the owner's suite, which is nearly 400 square feet in size with vaulted ceilings. Remember, the person in the model home works for the seller, not you. I'd love to be your buyer's agent at no cost to you and work on your behalf to get you a great new home.